Today I'm going to show you how to get from the Marriott to the closest form of public transport, the monorail. And Google Maps will tell you it takes 11 minutes. But does it take 11 minutes?
No, it does not.
Because we found
a shortcut,
which we thought it might be worth showing you, particularly for those of you that want to save a little bit of money here in Dubai. So come with us and I'll show you how long it takes in real time. You leave the Marriott, you need to turn left. Try not to get run over like I did then by that taxi, but you turn left to leave the hotel. You carry on walking down. So in this blistering heat, you really don't want to spend that 11 minutes doing the walk. You want to get there as quickly as you possibly can. So it's summer, it's currently 39 degrees, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. We're actually heading to the Aquaventure Park today, which is connected to the Atlantis Palm. So you walk past the Leo's it'll be, won't it? Leo's salon, and this big building with the plants hanging on it. And you carry on down this street. As I say, it is incredibly warm. You don't want to take your time in Dubai. I don't even know if this is going to film the whole journey. I do hope so. I don't know if the heat will affect it. I've not really brought it out into the heat yet. This is the first time I've brought it out with me. So we shall see. Carry on walking down. Then there's a bit of a crossing. It's always quite busy because the beach is connected to this area. It's called West Beach. There's a little crossing down here. People generally stop. Thank you. And then you walk past the Tumbi Hotel. Nice 4-star hotel here in Dubai. There's a Viva shop there. That Viva shop is brilliant for your cheaper items. If you live in the UK, think of Aldi. It's a bit like Aldi or Lidl. Unnamed brands, but it's quite good for the essentials you want to buy for your room. Can you see that pedestrian crossing a bit further down? That's where we're heading to. We're going to cross over the road there. Google Maps takes you further on, which just adds to the minutes. And as I say, in this extreme heat, you really don't want to spend too long walking. So this is the gateway to the West Beach. I'm only coming here because there's a crossing on the road, and then we can cross. Slipped on the marble floor there, that was very clever. So the crossing is just opposite the Adagio Apart Hotel. It's an Adagio Premium. And then we have our crossing. And then we get a little bit of shade. If you look straight ahead, you can see where we're heading for. That's the monorail station. As I say, Google Maps will take you round. It will take you a slightly longer route. We've been walking for 5 minutes, approximately 5 minutes. Another crossing. It is important to stick to the crossings here in Dubai. Apparently it's illegal not to, and you could face a fine. People don't pay taxes in Dubai. I think a lot of the money comes from fines, from what I can gather. And they will find tourists. They're quite happy to find tourists, so Please, please, please do stick to the rules. Big building ahead is the monorail station. The Marriott where we come from is on the Palm. It's at one end of the Palm and the Atlantis is at the other. So the Atlantis is where the massive water park is, the biggest in the world, which is where we're heading to today. Monorail's just come in, but that's heading in the opposite direction to us. I think they're every few minutes anyway. Then we turn right. This rubbery path is very soft underfoot. I don't know if that's intentional or whether it's just melting. There's the monorail going in the opposite direction. And we've just got to go round to the entrance. Monorails run every 15 minutes, so if you miss one, you've never got too long to wait. And here we are, inside the nice air-conditioned building. So if you're getting on from the Marriott, this is the station you need. I'm not going to try and pronounce it because I possibly can't, but you buy a ticket from that kiosk there. Thank you. There's the map for the monorail, and I'll just quickly show you the prices. So those are the prices. It's quite cheap really, cheaper than getting a taxi. So we're just going to go and grab the monorail.